Brad's Outcast versus Pipsqueak. Dito mo masasabi na ang basketball game is a very unpredictable. Yung game na yon is all about Brads. Sila yung may control ng game na yon. Hindi na alam ng Pipsqueak ang dapat gawin. Saka wala silang makitang solusyon kung paano tatapatan yung Brads. Yung mga play ng Brads, very effective. Yung depensa napakahigpit. Ang ganda, hindi ka talaga makakalusot ng maayos. Tsaka yung teamwork, talagang pinakita ng Brad yung tamang execution. 3 points after 3 points, steals after steals. Pero syempre, meron laging lucky card. Tapos pumasok tong batang to. Pagpasok pa lang, meron agad siyang 3 consecutive block. Pinamunuan ng batang to yung defense. From that moment, nag-iba yung tempo. Napakagandang laro po nito. Pipsqueak was down I think 29. Then natapos po yung laro at nanalo sila ng 1 point.